Adaptive cruise control helps maintain an individually stored constant speed between about 20 miles per hour and 95 miles per hour at a previously set distance in time intervals between your vehicle and those in front of you. To switch on adaptive cruise control, press the on-off button on your steering wheel. The system is now active, but no speed is set. To save the current speed when the vehicle is moving, press the Set button. The set speed appears in the instrument cluster, and the adaptive cruise control system begins regulating the speed to help automatically maintain a comfortable following distance to a vehicle in front. The adaptive cruise control system helps maintain the following distance by determining a time interval, resulting in a speed-dependent distance. When adaptive cruise control is active, the following distance to the vehicle in front can be adjusted to one of 5 positions by pressing the Adaptive Distance button. The distance intervals can also be set using the plus or minus buttons immediately after pressing the Adaptive Distance button. When a slower-moving vehicle directly ahead is detected, adaptive cruise control automatically slows down and helps maintain the distance that has been set. Once the slower vehicle moves out of the way, the system adjusts back to the set speed. If the vehicle traveling ahead brakes to a standstill, adaptive cruise control will also brake your vehicle to a standstill. The driver assist system holds your vehicle stationary, with the brakes and adaptive cruise control staying active. To drive off after being stationary, briefly press the accelerator. Adaptive cruise control will resume speed regulation as long as the vehicle in front is moving again. To deactivate cruise, briefly press the cruise on-off button on the steering wheel, or press the brake pedal. To resume the stored speed, press the resume button. To increase the speed by 1 mile per hour, briefly press the plus button, or press and hold to increase the set speed in increments of 5 miles per hour. Press the minus button briefly to reduce speed by 1 mile per hour, or press and hold to reduce the set speed in increments of 5 miles per hour. In addition to the functions of a traditional cruise control system, adaptive cruise control can help speed up or slow down your car to keep a comfortable following distance to the car ahead.